When a tenant sends a 30-day notice letter, it marks a pivotal moment in the landlord-tenant relationship. Whether it's for relocation, a change in circumstance, or any other reason, as a landlord, understanding how to effectively manage the process is crucial. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to take when a tenant submits a 30-day proper notice, ensuring a smooth transition for both parties involved. Let's hop right in. Step 1 is to review the lease agreement. Before you get into the transition process, it's imperative to revisit the lease agreement that binds you and your tenant. This document is your legal framework containing the terms and conditions governing various aspects of the tenancy, including tenant termination and how much notice should be given. By taking the time to thoroughly review the lease agreement, you will set the stage for a smooth and well-informed process. Here's a few reasons why this step is essential. Within the lease agreement, there are specific clauses dedicated to tenant termination. These clauses outline the notice period required by both parties. Whether it's a month-to-month lease or a fixed-term lease nearing its end, understanding the stipulated notice period is crucial. The lease agreement often incorporates legal obligations mandated by your local, state, or national regulations. Reviewing this agreement allows you to ensure that your response aligns with the legal requirements for processing a tenant's notice. By revisiting the lease agreement, you demonstrate your respect for the tenant's rights. This step also underscores your commitment to transparent and fair practices throughout the termination process. Carefully reviewing the lease agreement helps prevent misunderstandings. If either party has questions or concerns about the notice period or any other aspect of the process, referring back to the lease agreement can provide clarity. Initiating the process with a clear understanding of the lease terms sets a positive tone for communication with the tenant. It portrays you as a professional property manager who prioritizes adherence to the agreed-upon terms. In essence, the lease agreement serves as your compass during the transition process. It not only guides your actions, but also ensures you uphold your legal responsibilities while respecting the tenant's rights. So now on to step 2, confirm the receipt of the notice. This seemingly small action holds significant value in establishing a positive trajectory for the transition process. Swiftly acknowledging the receipt of the notice showcases your professionalism as a property manager. It demonstrates that you are attentive and responsive, setting the tone for a smooth transition. To acknowledge the notice, remember the following. Promptness. Aim to acknowledge the notice within 24 hours of receiving it. This quick response demonstrates your commitment to effective communication. Be clear and concise. Crafting a concise acknowledgement message that expresses your receipt of the notice and appreciation for the tenant's communication. Avoid making any assumptions or delving into further details at this stage. Consider the medium of communication. Use the communication medium established in your lease agreement. Whether it's email, text, or a formal letter, ensure your acknowledgement reaches the tenant promptly. An open door. Invite the tenant to reach out if they have any questions or need further information about the process. This shows your willingness to assist and support them during this transition. Now on to step 3, scheduling a move-out inspection. This step holds great significance not only for assessing the property's condition, but also for facilitating communication regarding repairs, cleaning, and the return of the security deposit. A move-out inspection allows you to evaluate the property's condition before the tenant's departure. This assessment is vital for identifying any damages that may need attention before a new tenant moves in. Also, by conducting an inspection, you create a platform for open communication. You and the tenant can discuss any concerns, potential repairs, and cleaning expectations. This transparency fosters a sense of trust and cooperation. Additionally, the inspection provides an opportunity for clarification on responsibilities for repairs and cleaning. Discussing these details helps avoid misunderstandings and sets a clear expectation for both parties. Finally, the information gathered during the inspection forms a bias for determining the deductions, if any, from the tenant's security deposit. This ensures a fair and accurate return of the deposit after the tenant's departure. So here's how to conduct a move-out inspection in just a few steps. First, schedule in advance, then complete a thorough examination, have an open dialogue, complete all cleaning and repairs, address the security deposit, and provide a summary. So now you're on to step 4, starting the advertising process. Now that you possess a clear understanding of the impeding vacancy and the property's condition, it's time to shift gears into advertising. Let's touch on the art of crafting an irresistible property listing and strategically optimizing it for optimal visibility online. Your objective as a property manager is to highlight the property's unique strengths and features, ensuring it stands out amongst the sea of options. Utilize vibrant descriptions and vividly convey the property's ambiance, layout, and and lifestyle benefits. Complement your engaging descriptions with high-quality images, and remember that accuracy is paramount. Enhance the listing's visibility by incorporating relevant keywords that align with what prospective tenants are likely searching for. In keyword research, consider using terms like available rental, move-in ready, and desirable location. Seamless integration of these keywords within your listing content ensures that your property stands out in the search engine results. A captivating headline rich in keywords serves as an initial hook for potential tenants. And then lastly, you'll want to conclude your listing with a clear call to action. This encourages potential tenants to take the next step. So speaking of next step, let's hop into step number 5, conduct property showings. Hosting these showings effectively can make a significant impact on attracting the right tenant for your property. Consider hosting an open house. Open houses offer a valuable opportunity to showcase your property to potential tenants. By scheduling open house events, you create a welcoming environment that encourages interested individuals to explore the property in person. Emphasizing the unique benefits and features of your property is crucial to attracting the right tenant, so here's how to effectively highlight what makes your property stand out. Highlight the property's proximity to key amenities such as schools, shopping centers, and public transportation. These location-based benefits can be compelling selling points. Consider the lifestyle enhancements your property offers. Whether it's a serene backyard, modern appliances, or ample storage space, showcasing these features can resonate with the potential tenants. If the property offers any scope for personalization or customization, make sure to mention it. Prospective tenants often appreciate properties that allow them to make the space their own. Encourage potential tenants to ask questions and explore the property. An interactive approach can help them feel more engaged and invested in the showing experience. So now you're on to step 6, screening these potential tenants. Now that your property has garnered attention, your role as a diligent property manager involves carefully screening potential tenants. Conducting comprehensive background checks is a non-negotiable. This process involves delving into applicants' rental history, evaluating their credit worthiness, and assessing their criminal background. By doing so, you ensure both the safety of your property and the cultivation of a trustworthy tenant base. If you need help with this step, you can conduct background checks with DoorLoop, then manage those tenants within the platform. So make sure to schedule a free demo today with the link down in the description. Step 7 is to offer a competitive rental rate. Determining a competitive rental rate is essential for attracting quality tenants who value what your property offers. First, you need to conduct market research, then review and select a new tenant, review the applications, and continue effective communication with your tenants. Then you're on to step 8, preparing the lease agreement. Drafting a comprehensive lease agreement is an essential step in establishing a clear understanding of the tenant's responsibilities and your expectations. Articulate these lease terms with precision and clearly outline the security deposit amount, its purpose, and the conditions under which it will be returned. Step 9 is to coordinate the move-in logistics. As you approach the final stretch of your process, your focus shifts to ensuring a seamless move-in experience for your new tenant. Provide comprehensive information about utility connections, service providers, and any activation or setup procedures, and give the new tenant a copy of property rules and guidelines. So in conclusion, successfully managing the tenant's 30-day notice involves a series of strategic steps. The lease agreement and move-in logistics seal the deal, welcoming your new tenant with their new home with confidence and clarity. Remember, your proactive and thorough approach can lay the foundation for a successful and mutually beneficial landlord-tenant relationship. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for a place to connect with other property managers, you can join our exclusive Facebook group with the link in the description. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!